The industry has moved from generative AI to agents primarily because of this premise. Initially, we went in and some of the use cases were very point solution-ish, right? Like ChatGPT can help you write an email, you can give it some initial thoughts and it can generate more properly worded. But the reason why the industry moved from generative AI to agentic AI is another way of people admitting that, look, it's not enough to take one step of a task that I'm supposed to do and to say that, hey, I've solved the problem for you, right? It's not enough to say that, oh, you can use whatever keywords you want and pull a bunch of resumes and you can identify the right candidate. That's not enough. That's not my job. My job is to comb through, if I'm a recruiter, my job is to comb through a bunch of resumes, find the best candidate that meets the job requisition and make it available to the hiring manager. Likewise, if I'm an analyst who is trying to provide a perspective to the customer in terms of, for example, tariffs have been introduced, what is the impact on my revenue growth plans? It's not enough to say that, hey, I can go through all the internet website and summarize to you in 250 words what exactly is the impact of tariff. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to analyze what is the impact on my specific clients' revenue growth plans and what exact advice can I give them in terms of what they can do now and what they should be thinking of doing in the next 6 to 12 months. That is my task. If the tool is not able to help me solve my task in a more end-to-end manner, then it's not useful to me. I'm not going to break the flow of my task to go and use your AI solution for one small slither task. That's not how I work. If you have to solve me, you have to come with an end-to-end agent that's going to be able to understand the scope of the analysis, be able to identify all the relevant sources for the data, be able to gather those information, whether it is from internet or from internal files, be able to then piece together the information in a way that you typically do your analysis and then give you the first draft. That is the essence of agentic AI. What used to be in the previous generation of generative AI, you can fetch all the information from internet or do any one of these tasks that I just described. But we quickly realized in our implementation that, look, you have to be agentic. You have to solve the problem that the consultant is focused on, whether it is a pricing problem, whether it is a vendor evaluation problem,